In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a date in Tableau and explore the default date formats. Whether you're new to Tableau or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to customize date formats is essential for creating clear and effective data visualizations. First, we'll start by opening the Tableau Public app. If you're not already familiar with it, Tableau Public is a free platform where you can create, share, and explore data visualizations online. Launch the app from your desktop or search for it via your programs list, and once it's open, you're ready to dive into your data. Now that we've got Tableau open, the next step is to access your worksheet, which is the space where you'll be working with your data visualizations. Navigate to the specific project or file you want to work on today, or you can start a new one if you're following along with sample data. Once you're in your worksheet, locate the dataset you're interested in. Drag the order date from your data pane over to the rows shelf. This action will create a visual representation of your data along the time axis. Dragging fields like order date into your workspace is a crucial step in setting up your visualization, providing a clear timeline of events or data points. After placing the order date in rows, next, you'll want to click on the small drop-down arrow located next to order date. Clicking this reveals more options. Navigate to More, which will allow you to explore additional formatting choices. In this section, we can get specific about how our dates will appear. You'll want to choose Custom from the drop-down menu. From here, a plethora of formats awaits you. Pick the most suitable one for your data needs and click OK to apply it. This step is vital for ensuring that your data presentations are clean, easily understandable, and tailored to your audience's needs. Another excellent way to format your date is by, once again, selecting that drop-down arrow. This time, choose the Format option. Here you can decide whether you'd like to modify the header or the pane. Select a date format that aligns with your project's requirements. Moving forward, you have yet another method to adjust your date formats. Simply right-click on the order date in the pane. This action will bring up a context menu. From there, go to Default Properties, then choose Date Format. Here, select a format you'd like to use and click OK to apply your changes. Adapting the default properties can save you time and ensure consistency across multiple visualizations. Once you're done with these setup steps, don't forget to drag order date to the rows again to check out how it appears with your new formatting. By efficiently managing date formats in Tableau, you're setting the stage for creating more insightful and professional-looking data visualizations. I hope these tips help you feel more confident in mastering Tableau's date formatting features. Thanks for watching.